The mouse wheel method, keyboard shortcuts, or magnifier tool are 3 easy ways to zoom in or magnify the view on your Windows PC. So, whether you're browsing the web, working on a document, or checking out a picture, you'll be able to see everything in crystal clear detail by making everything bigger. Let me show you how in this tutorial. First, we have the mouse wheel method. This is probably the most common and easiest way to zoom in and even zoom out. To do this, place your mouse cursor over the area you want to zoom in on. Hold down the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel forward to zoom in. Scroll the mouse wheel backward to zoom out. Next is to zoom in, using keyboard shortcuts. For those who prefer using the keyboard, this method is a great option. To zoom in, press the Control key and then the plus key. To zoom out, press the Control key and the minus key. Now, if you want to reset the zoom level to 100%, press the Control key and the 0 key. For those who need a more powerful zooming tool, use the Magnifier tool method. To do this, type Magnifier at the search bar located at the lower left. Click on Magnifier result to launch the Magnifier tool. Tap the plus key to zoom in. Keep on tapping plus to increase the zoom level up to 500%. Similarly, tap on the minus key to zoom back out. Now Windows lets you see details better than ever with this tutorial. Make text, apps, and images magnified and clearer in 3 ways: wheel mouse, keyboard shortcuts, or magnifier tool.